Welcome to the Etta Lit Kit activity. Today we're working on final phonemes. For this activity, we're going to create the sound box map, and you'll be able to use that with a variety of pages that are already in your workbook, including this one. First, select a cut and say page. Laminate if you like. Cut out each of those squares. And now on a separate sheet of paper, we're going to build our map. At this point, we are using decorative colored paper in order to create our circles in the middle, which our child will tap sounds. On the top, we have Post-it notes to map out our letters that correspond with those sounds, and at the bottom, a sentence strip so our child can practice writing. Again, you can use that with a variety of pages in the workbook. Here we are showing how to use it with the cut and say. So once a cut and say word is selected, it could be a heart word, a flash word, or word family word, we're going to use each of those sounds as in got, g, t. And we're going to isolate each of those sounds in the sound boxes, tap to see how many sounds we hear, which are 3, and then we can practice our writing on the bottom. So for that final phoneme, t, that's where we want to practice, and you can find the lesson plan posted on the webpage.